Hello everyone, welcome back to GigaBits. Today we're taking a closer look at Whatnot, the social shopping platform that mixes live streaming and e-commerce into one interactive experience. Here's how it works. Sellers host live auctions, show their items on camera, and buyers can bid or buy instantly during the stream. It's like Twitch meets eBay, fast, engaging, and social. By early 2025, Whatnot had grown to over $265 million in annual revenue, expanding into categories like collectibles, sneakers, trading cards, comics, and fashion. It's now one of the biggest players in the live shopping space. The app includes community reviews, buyer protection, and seller verification, which make it safer than most peer-to-peer marketplaces. However, it's not perfect. Some users report fake listings, slow refunds, or support delays, usually caused by independent sellers, not the platform itself. Whatnot has improved its dispute system over time, but it's still best to check seller ratings carefully before making a purchase, especially on high-value items. So, is Whatnot safe to use? Yes, it's a legit platform with strong growth and real protection features. But it's not risk-free, so use common sense, just like you would on eBay or Facebook Marketplace.